Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to quickly create a salary sheet in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show the salary format. This format is salary sheet is SRA, DA, TA and total and 20%, 15% and 12%. That's okay. Firstly, then I show the then we can see is firstly select your three border is a DA and TA select, and firstly keyboard press is to equal and keyboard press dollar, and then salary is the D3 area and press to the D3, and again keyboard press start tag, and then SRF 20% is A20 sorry A2 area is press to the A2 E dollar 2, then keyboard press enter, control enter. That's okay. Then I show the HRA DA and TA 20%, 15% and 12%. This show. Then again total is the select your total all and keyboard press alter equal. That's okay. Then I show the quickly character salary set in Microsoft Excel. Then show the total salary of salary to 25,200 in 20% and DA 15% and TA 12%. Then total 37,000 in 44. That's all. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.